officially freaked out.
Well, aren't you the sweetest space toy I ever met?
You're mocking me, aren't you?
But you're about to see a whole new side of Jessie in the Toy Story 2 double feature.
Wow.
In theaters in Disney Digital 3D. Ta-da! We're back with Wizards of Waverly Place on Disney Channel.
Oh, that is so sweet.
Where'd all this come from?
Me.
I thought the potion wore off.
It did. What didn't wear off is how good I feel about sending myself flowers. Who's going to be kinder to me than me?
Certainly not me.
Oh, my God. I am so funny. I didn't see that coming. Woo! Hey, I'm Selena Gomez from Wizards of Waverly Place, and you're watching Disney Channel.
And that's when the great Chinese wizard Li first used dragon scales to build an impenetrable box for safeguarding one